I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. Let me thank all of you for staying inside and learning through this YouTube channel. I am glad that many of you are sharing your test questions with me and asking doubts on email. So I also have a very active WhatsApp group where we have many participants, I should say volunteers, to answer your queries and questions. Questions of any level, whether it is school or university, in mathematics can be taken care of. Feel free to join our WhatsApp group, post questions, and get solutions almost in no time. Now, here we have a request to prove an inequality on trigonometry, which is now let us prove the inequality tan A plus tan B plus tan C is greater than 1 plus tan A tan B tan C, where A plus B plus C is equal to 90 degrees. So we can begin with finding what is sine A plus B plus C. We'll expand this and then prove the identity. So when you expand this, you get sine A cos B plus C. We are using the compound angle formula, plus cos A sine B plus C. And now we can write sine of A plus B plus C as 90 degrees, right? So we'll just change this to 90 degrees. Sine of 90 degrees is equal to, and expand this, sine A cos B cos C minus sine B sine C plus cos A times sine B cos C plus cos B sine C. Sine of 90 degrees, is 1. So we can write this as 1 equals 2. And now we can expand this. We get sine A cos B cos C minus sine A sine B sine C plus, we'll write it here, cos A sine B cos C plus cos A cos B sine C. So we got the terms in terms of sines and cosines. Now let us divide both sides by cos A cos B cos C. Now that is the strategy, okay? So when you divide this, in the first term you get sine A over cos A, correct? Which is tan A. Here you get all terms in tan. We get tan A, tan B, tan C. Perfect. Now in this case, we get, let me write here, cos A and C will cancel. We get tan B. And here we'll get plus tan C. Do you see that? So we are getting terms in terms of tans on the right side and 1 over cos A, cos B, cos C on the left side. Since we need to prove the sum of tans is greater than this, what we'll take is that we'll take sum of tans on one side, so we can write down this as tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to 1 over cos A cos B cos C plus tan A tan B tan C. Is that clear to you, right? So we brought this term on the left side. And we got this answer. Is that clear to you? Now, if you observe the term here, which is 1 over cos A cos B cos C, this has to be greater than 1, correct? This term is always greater than 1. And that means that the left side, which is tan A tan B, sorry, plus in between, plus tan B plus tan C should be greater than 1 plus tan A tan B tan C. Because when you add something greater than 1, it is equal to. Now since this part is greater than 1, so if I put number 1 itself, it is less than 1, correct? And therefore this inequality becomes true. Is that clear to you? Right? So that is how you can actually prove this inequality. Cos A cos B cos C is maximum for A equals to B equals to C, which will be pi by 6 in this case, right? So that you can try it out, but I hope you got the concept, and that is that this term here is much greater than 1, and therefore tan A plus tan B plus tan C should be greater than 1 plus tan A tan B tan C. Perfect. So that is how we are going to prove it. I hope you find it interesting and useful. Feel free to write your comment, share your views, and if you like and subscribe to my videos, that would be great. Thanks for your time and all the best. Remember, every day at 9, we are going to post videos along with worksheets that should help you going. Thank you and have a safe stay at home.